Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a glitter overlay using the Luminous Colour Gel Builder in a Bottle system. So here we've got the Builder Base Gel and we're just going to lay down a thin layer of that and cure it in the lamp for the recommended time, depending on what kind of lamp you've got. Then we're going in with the Builder Gel, yet just another thin layer again. And we're going to leave this wet, so do not cure this layer. This is what we're going to lay our glitter into. So I'm using quite a chunky glitter here. And you just want to pour it straight over the nail. Sprinkle it, whatever is easiest for you. And then use some sort of brush. I'm using a gel brush here, just to lay those glitter particles super flat to the nail. And I'm also using it just to fill in any gaps and refine it. And then you want to cure this just as it is. Lay the glitter in, perfect it, and then cure it. Now I'm going in with another layer of the Builder Gel. So we're just essentially encapsulating all of that glitter. And because this is quite a chunky glitter, I do go in with another layer, which you'll see in a minute. So just go in, make sure everything's all nice and capped, and then cure that. And then go in with one final layer. Again, keeping your layers thin. Don't have them too thick, it's really not necessary. Then cure that one. Remove the tacky layer. And then I'm going to file it just to smooth out the surface. You don't need to go too overboard here. And if you've made sure those glitter particles are super flat, there shouldn't be anything sticking up. And then I buff it to make it nice and smooth. Sorry guys, can't stay in frame. And then we're just going to top coat it. And that's pretty much it. I do have a couple of different designs just showing you different sized glitters. So with the next one, I have laid down 2 layers of black gel polish, and I've put down a layer of the Builder Base Gel as well. Cure that and then go in with your Builder Gel. Remembering to keep your layers thin, there's no need to build it up. Again, pour your glitter straight into that wet layer. Using your brush just to perfect it, move things around where you need it. And then you're going to cure that in the lamp. So this one's slightly less chunky than the first glitter I used, but you can see that it still works beautifully in all of them, for all of the glitters. So same with this one, I'm going in with a layer of gel just to completely cap all of that glitter. Cure. And one final layer of the Builder Gel just to make sure everything's all protected and you're not going to file into that glitter. And cure that. Same thing again, you're going to file, just remove that tacky layer, file it into shape just to smooth it out, even though it's really not actually that necessary. This stuff's pretty good. Buff it after this. Just to make sure it's nice and smooth. And then top coat, best part. And the finish of the nail is very smooth. There's nothing sticking up or anything like that. So this is great for salon nails when you want to do something quick. It's nice and easy. So this last one, same thing. I've got 2 layers of black gel polish. Now I'm going in with the builder gel, keeping that wet. And I'm using a fine glitter this time. Just sprinkle it in. So pretty. Remove any excess. I'm just using a nail brush. Go in with a layer of builder gel and then cure that. I do find with the fine glitters that I didn't need to add a second coat. So I've just gone straight in and filed it and buffed it. And then added a top coat, and the nail was still beautifully smooth. So this is even quicker again. And that's it, guys. I've just showed you 3 just so you could get an idea of how they look. So pretty. And here's all 3 of them together. Super stunning. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask. Follow me on social media. All the links are there. Leave a like, share and subscribe, all that jazz. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate your support. Thanks. Bye.